Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. The festive season, the holidays are upon us, Santa Claus is coming, so we decided to make up this. Don't these look gorgeous? Our peanut butter Nutella Thumbprint cookies. It doesn't have to be the holidays, you can make them any time of year. They're soft, chewy, great with a cup of coffee, tea, glass of milk. But you're going to love these. Let me walk you through it and let's get started. Okay guys, what we're going to start off with is creaming together 4 tablespoons of butter, then 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. I just love peanut butter. Then half a cup of sugar. And this is just white sugar. Then grab up our mixer and cream this together. Okay, next up I'm going to add in an egg. Let's get cracking here. And of course a few drops of vanilla extract. You can just kind of eyeball this depending on your taste. I'd say there's about 4 or 5 drops maybe. And then once again, mixing we will go. And just look at this consistency. That's about what you want. In a separate bowl, I'm going to add a cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and just a little pinch of salt to bring out those flavors. Grab up my whisk, and then just mix everything together. Okay, add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Grab up our mixer and mix until everything is well combined. Then I'm going to scoop up, I'd say about a tablespoon of the cookie dough. Place it in the palm of my hand, and then just simply roll it up into a nice, neat little ball. Something like this. And set it aside on a baking tray, lined with a baking mat or some parchment paper. It really doesn't matter. Now I'm going to slip this into a preheated oven set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius for about 12 to 14 minutes. After about 12 to 14 minutes, our cookies are beautifully done. So we're going to do a thumbprint in the middle, just pressing down a little bit, something like that. Or of course you can use the back of a spoon too, but I prefer the thumb. And if you got some cracks, don't worry about it, that's absolutely fine. Then we're just going to set these guys aside on a wire rack and let them cool completely. Okay guys, after the cookies have cooled, I'm going to just pipe some Nutella into them. Now you don't have to use this, you can use strawberry jam, raspberry jam, blueberry, or even some Hershey's, but this is one of my favorites. But don't these look incredibly cute and gorgeous? And because it's the festive season, I'm just going to add in a bit of rainbow sprinkles. It doesn't have to be the festive season. It can be any time, but this looks great. And there you have it guys, our peanut butter Nutella thumbprint cookies. Absolutely cute, gorgeous, and delicious. Okay, so let's give these a taste test. And who doesn't like peanut butter and Nutella? Incredible guys. They're a soft cookie, the Nutella, the sprinkles. You're going to love these. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool baking recipes, any recipes you want over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.